Create your personal GPT model in just a few steps. To begin, head to chat.openai.com. In the left corner, click on Explore. You'll see a collection of pre-built GPTs, but we're going to create our own. Click the plus, Create a GPT button. You'll see two options. First, the beginner-friendly chat-based setup, where you simply describe what your GPT should do. Second, the Configure tab, where you manually set precise instructions, tone, goals, and behavior. For professional use, the Configure tab gives you full control. Now let's build one from scratch. A Growth Hacker GPT. Start by entering the name, Growth Hacker GPT. Then write a short description that tells users what it does. Next, under Instructions, paste a detailed personality and behavior guide. Here you set how your GPT thinks, responds, and communicates to match your desired tone and expertise. Next, scroll down to Conversation Starters. These are pre-made prompts that help users get started quickly, like improve my customer acquisition strategy, or find growth opportunities for my business. You can add as many as you want. Here's where it gets powerful. Under Knowledge, you can upload files, like brand guidelines, analytics, or documents. Your GPT will use these to give context-specific answers. Below that, enable all advanced capabilities: web search, canvas, image generation, and code interpreter and data analysis, for maximum flexibility. If you're a developer, you can also add actions. These let your GPT interact with external tools or APIs. For beginners, you can skip this step for now. Finally, give your GPT some personality. Upload a custom image or use DALL-E to generate one automatically. When everything looks good, hit Create in the top right corner. Choose how you want to share it. Only me, private use. People with the link, semi-private sharing. GPT Store, listed on the GPT for everyone to try. And that's it. Your own AI assistant ready to work for you 24/7. Follow and subscribe for more AI tips.